Hello guys, and welcome to the 24th video of our Python playlist. And in this video we will discuss quicksort. Quicksort, other than bubble sort, merge sort, is another sorting algorithm that uses the recursion. Although in bubble sort we don't use the recursion, but in merge sort we use recursion. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, so please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And in the previous videos, we have discussed the merge sort and bubble sort. So what happens? Basically, the quick sort is almost same as the merge sort. It uses the divide and conquer technique. What happens in it? We divide our work into smaller pieces and then we combine them back. This is how the divide and conquer technique works. So the basic thing is like in the quick sort, we have a list and we decide a pivot. What we decide or we select a pivot. Then what we do, we basically find out how many elements are there which are smaller than the pivot and how many elements are there which are greater than the pivot.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Then we break the array, we break the list in three further parts. One of them is the middle part, one of them is the left part, and one of them is the right part. The left part has the values smaller than the pivot, the right part has the value greater than the pivot, and the middle part have the values equal to the pivot. So let we do So let me write here like we have an array, a list 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now what we will do, we have to find the left part. So let's say we take a pivot, that is how we can find it, len whatever the array A divide by 2. So the pivot will be index position 3, right? So the pivot value is 2, right? Now, the left part is the values that are smaller than the pivot, so it will come 1 and 0. The middle part is here 2, and the right part here is 5, 4, 3. Then we have to pass the left part. In every recursive algorithm, we have the base case. Now what we will do, we will pass the left part gain to our function, the recursive function. Now, if we take this list, right, so our pivot will be found by length of A, the list, divided by 2. So this will be equal to 1. So now what we have to do, we have to find out the left part. Left part is empty now. Right part, right part has 1 and middle part has 0. Okay. Now how it basically works, when we have to call the recursive function, we have to do the function name, and here we pass the list, basically the left list, then we add the middle, and then we basically add the right part. So as you can see, the base case is in this scenario, the base case is that if the is length of the array is lesser than equal to 1, then we will return the array. Return the array or list, whatever it is. So if we write this as a function now, as a Python code, now what will happen? Like basically we will get the chunks. We have nothing in the left part. We have one element 0 over here, and then we have the right part. So if we will concatenate this, so basically it will return, like here it should be return. So what will happen? The left part, that 1 0 will be converted to 0 1 using this line. Now let me write the function. So def quick sort, and here we pass a array. Now what we have to do? We have to write if len of a is lesser than equal to 1, then what we will do? We will return the array. Else what we will do? We will basically find the pivot first. Pivot is equal to length of the array A divided by 2. This is the index position. Then what we will do? We have to find the left part. Now what we will do is, like we will have a left array that will be composed by left is equal to 4x in range, 4x in A, if x is lesser than a pivot, and we will get the value x in the list. This is how our function, our this left array, left list will be created. Then we got the middle. So middle is equal to, and here we will just write x equal a pivot. And lastly, we got the right side that will be equal to, all the values that are greater than the pivot. And then lastly, we will call return quick sort a, not a, left, then plus the middle, and then plus the right, that should be passed in the quick sort function. And here instead of a, we will pass right. And then lastly, we will call this quick sort function. So let me take a list ARR that is equal to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And then what we will do is, like, we will just print the sorted array, and here we will pass quick sort with ARR passed inside it. So if we run this, so you guys can see that the sorted array is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hope you guys got how we can work with the quick sort algorithm. This is a recursive algorithm. So see you guys until the next video. Take care. Goodbye.